Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we have made some good progress on our second floor i-joist. So I'll show you here in a minute, but we've got most of them over the kitchen dining area up and on their hangers, and we're just getting them set in place, and then we've got to get everything measured right so that we can cut them, put the rim boards on, and nail them into the hangers. So we're making progress, but it's pretty cool to see kind of what it feels like underneath here. So I'm standing right now in where our kitchen will be. So behind me you can see our i-joist for the second floor. Some of those are up, so we're making good progress, and hopefully we will be moving quickly and pretty soon putting in our blocking and subfloor after we get all of our joists in. So as you can see here, they're not, all where they're going to be eventually. We're just got them set up here, and we've got them in their hangers. We still have to kind of pound them down into place and nail them. So, but we've got here in the kitchen, those are our joists here in the kitchen, and then over here we've got above the dining area, we've got those joists in. We still have to put the ones over the living room up, but we started on that. That's these ones over here over the pantry, right over there, and then what will be the living room here, getting those in. So it's a bit of a process, but we hoped it would be easier to just put up the hangers first, and then we can kind of set the joists in place where they need to go. That way we're not trying to line it up and put the hanger in and the nail it in all up in the air. So we did that beforehand, and now we've got to put each of the joists into their hangers. And like I said, we've still got you can see over here, the ends of the joists are sticking out over the end there. So we've got to cut those off once we've got them in the location they're supposed to go. And then we'll put the rim boards on around the edges and move on to blocking after we've got all of our joists in.